Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the modes of nutrition. Now, depending upon the modes of nutrients, all organisms can be classified into two major groups, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now, autotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organism prepare their own organic food utilizing only the inorganic raw material present in the surrounding. Means autotroph, auto means self. They take the organic food, prepare themselves, and they take the inorganic raw material from the surroundings. And heterotrophic nutrition is a kind of nutrition in which the organism derive energy from the intake and digestion of organic substances prepared by autotrophs and other organic sources, right? So basically we have two type of nutrition major, that is autotrophic and heterotrophic, right? Now if we go on difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs, then the difference is, in autotrophs, they manufacture their own food from inorganic substances, whereas heterotrophs, they obtain their food from outside utilizing organic substances. Right? That we know that autotrophs, they can manufacture their own food, heterotrophs, they depend on others. Right? So these processes, second point of difference, these processes uh, possess photosynthetic pigment for trapping light, whereas heterotroph, these lack photosynthetic pigment for trapping light. So what is the photosynthetic pigment in autotrophs? That is the green coloring pigment, that is chlorophyll. In third point, in autotrophs, these convert light energy into the chemical energy, and in heterotrophs, these do not convert light energy into the chemical energy, right? So that is the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Next is types of heterotrophic nutrition. If we go on types of heterotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition is divided into following. Basically, we are studying two types, that is saprophytic and parasitic. But one more is there, that is holozoic nutrition. I have written here too, but one more is there, that is holozoic nutrition. Now, saprophytic nutrition or saprotrophic, it refers to a kind of nutrition in which the organism derive their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter, like the animals or plants which die. So in our atmosphere, there are few microbes like fungi and bacteria. They act on dead decaying plants and animals, and they derive their nutrition from them, right? So example of saprophytes are many fungi and bacteria. Whereas parasitic nutrition, it is a type of nutrition in which the organism derive their nutrients of food from other living organism, right? So the other living organism on which they are dependent, those are known as host. Those are known as host. And the organism which derive from the host plant's nutrition, that is known as parasite, right? So for example, Cuscuta amarbale, you must have studied earlier in lower classes, amarbale. It grows on the plant, and the plant is the host and it is the parasite. So plant, it does not grow and it grows, right? Some animals like plasmodium, in animals the plasmodium is there which causes malaria in humans, right? So that is also a type of parasite which is found in humans, right? Again, if we go on heterotrophic nutrition, Heterotrophic nutrition is classified into three. Again, we can go, some other definitions are also there. That is, saprophytic nutrition is there. Organism obtaining nutrient from dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytes, and their mode of nutrition is known as saprophytic nutrition. Right? Examples I have told you earlier. Okay. Next, heterotrophic nutrition in non-green plants. Types, saprophytes. These organisms get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. They release digestive enzymes. Okay. How they break down the food? With the help of release of digestive enzyme to break down the complex organic matter into simpler one, like fungi and bacteria. Here is the example of fungus, agaricus. I have shown you in 9th class. Agaricus, right? Specimen of agaricus you have seen. Next, parasitic nutrition. I have told you right now. If an organism depend on other living organism for nutrition, its mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. Such organisms are called parasite, and the organism from which they obtain nutrition is called host. I have told you, on which the organism is deriving the nutrition is the host, and which is deriving the nutrition is the parasite. The host organism is harmed by the parasite. So host, it does not grow, whereas the parasite, it grows. Parasitic nutrition is observed in some bacteria, fungi, flowering plants like Cuscuta, and animal like Ascaris, right? So these are the figures shown, Cuscuta and tapeworm, right?